Ever wondered what adventures Paddington might have had before becoming a Brown family member? Um, the new movie Paddington in Peru is about to reveal all. And this heartwarming film, set to premiere this weekend, takes us on a journey to Peru, where Paddington goes in search of his beloved Aunt Lucy, uh, directed by Dougal Wilson. Uh, Paddington in Peru is the third installment in the series. The movie follows Paddington as he leaves the comfort of the Brown family in London to reconnect with his roots. Upon arrival, Paddington discovers that Aunt Lucy is missing. Uh, what follows is a series of hilarious and exciting events that promise to keep you on the edge of your seat. As we journey through Peru with Paddington, we're treated to stunning visuals of the country's landscapes, from bustling cities to lush rainforests. The movie is a feast for the eyes and the perfect way to escape reality for a few hours. So, mark your calendars and get ready to embark on a heartwarming adventure with Paddington in Peru. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more movie recommendations. Uh, oh, and before I forget, why don't bears wear pants in the jungle? Because they don't want to get caught in a bear trap. Until next time, happy watching.